So since the house help are also practicing self-isolation, me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who have forgotten a bit. So first I was deciding, should I lather each bowl, rinse it and put it in the rack. But then I decided there's a better way to do it. Just fill up the sink, put all the dishes inside, okay? Then turn off the water so you don't waste water also. Then lather all of them and then put them back here and then rinse them off. Got it.
Hi everybody, since we have a lot of time on our hands, I thought I'd use it a little constructively and calmly. Of course, we got to stay safe and healthy. I thought I'll make some Malabari vegetable stew today, which we all love. At home, I have this recipe that I borrowed from my mother, a bit of it from my mom, and a bit from a very dear friend of mine who's a wonderful cook, Monica, called the Cook and Curry. So yes, this is my yummy Malabari vegetable stew, which is great for the soul, great for immunity. And I'm going to have it with some steamed white rice. And also I have some bread over here, chickpea, gluten-free, vegan bread, which my friend Ravina made for me, this bread. So yeah, I'm going to probably have it with that or with white rice. Yeah, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
I've prepared, and I used to cook a lot actually when I was in university, and now trying my hand at it again.
What's up guys, happy quarantine. I thought I'm going to try my hand in making some butter garlic prawns. I know, not so healthy, but I'll burn it out, man. I have all the time in the world. Whoa. Okay, so I've got all my ingredients here, but it's a bit soupy. But I'm okay as long as it tastes good, and good thing is less than tasteless. But this is my first time, guys, so at least some snack there. And it smells really good. And I've always seen chefs do this on the outside. Not much of a look, but
हम अक्सर कहते हैं काश हमारे पास वक्त होता हमारे बच्चों के साथ बैठने का, हमारे माँ बाप के साथ बैठने का, और हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि काश ये होता. आई विश आई हैड द टाइम एंड देयर वाज नथिंग एल्स फॉर अस टू डू. काश हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता करने के लिए. अब हमारे पास ये वक्त है और वजह भी है. तो गाइज प्लीज डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर हाउस टुमारो. जैसे आपने कहा, जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा है, हमारे देश के लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, सबके लिए प्लीज घर के अंदर रहिए और जितना हो सके अपने हाथ साबुन से धोइए, हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज कीजिए और दैट्स इट.
धन्यवाद.
Wow, what a work of art, Ruhi. Are you enjoying painting?
No.
Oh, then why are you painting? Yash, exactly what have you made?
Scooter.
That's a scooter? I'm not quite sure. That looks like a scooter, but okay, if you insist. Ruhi, any other? Oh my God. This is a lamp? Is this a lamp?
Yeah.
What colors are you using?
Pink.
That is not pink, darling. That is like a red. Okay, that was a perplexed expression that she gave me. You're wearing pink. That's a beautiful pink. This is red. And these colors are a mishmash of God knows what. Yash, any words to everyone staring at this video from you? Say something, Yash. Hello. Oh, an artist.
So the way we dress is perhaps the best thing that our culture has ever done. This should be the way you be.
Well, I feel this quarantine time has kind of given all of us a lot of time to do the things that we didn't have the time for. You know what I mean? We always have the time. We just have to make time. And it's kind of got me back to writing poetry, which I used to, but not very often. And after a very long time, I've written something in Hindi and just a few lines which I thought I'll share with you all. So it goes like, भाग रहा है तू जैसे वक्त से आगे निकल जाएगा, भीड़ में गुम होकर भी खुद को तन्हा ही पाएगा, तो थम जा, ठहर जा, मेरी परवाह किए बिना खुशियां खरीदने में लगा है, याद रख लकीरें तेरे हाथों में है, पर मुझसे भी जुड़ाई धागा है, कुदरत हूं मैं, कर मैं लड़खड़ाई तो ये धागा भी टूट जाएगा, हवा पानी मिट्टी के बिना तो कैसे जिंदा रह पाएगा, तो थम जा, ठहर जा. Well, I really hope it made sense to you the way it did to me, because I've been thinking that हम अपनी अपनी लाइफ में इतना बिजी हैं, इतना तेज भाग रहे हैं, एक मीटिंग से दूसरी मीटिंग, एक गोल से दूसरे गोल, and we're always in a hurry, and we forget to think about what we're doing to our environment, what we're doing to our mother nature, and it's important. And it's important to think about that. And अभी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे किसी ने pause button दबा दिया है. Don't you think so? At least I feel that way. Well, I'm going to try and put my thoughts into words a lot more often and share it with you all. And till then, stay safe, stay at home, be responsible, tham ja, ठहर जा.
And look at life now on positively. This time that we have got, let's value it. Let's spend it with our loved ones. And really, I feel this is the gift of God. Vian, come. आज वियान भी दिखाएंगे आपको. हम ओम चांटिंग करेंगे आज. वियान, आप करेंगे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? तो वियान और मैं ओम चांटिंग भी करते हैं. तो वियान आज आपको दिखाएंगे कि ओम चांटिंग कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है? तो हम करेंगे 7 बार for each one of our chakras, ठीक है? Get into Gyan Mudra. Take a deep breath in.
थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी. आत्मा नमस्ते फ्रॉम मी. And I want to say a big thank you to Raj, my husband, for arranging this entire thing. क्योंकि आज और कोई आके हमारे लिए सब सेटअप नहीं कर पाए. But I hope you guys enjoy life. And lastly, I'd just like to say, what are we supposed to say, Vian? स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.